Hey Raymar, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm making this free custom video for you to basically show you some ways you can gain a lot of new customers online and also ways to beat out your competitors on the online market space. Now, I do my service like this compared to other marketers which always promise an arm and a leg, but I'm doing it like this to show you specifically things that you can do for your specific business, and you'll see how it goes. So three things I want to talk to you today will be content, citations, and backlinks. Basically, the whole idea is you'll like what you see in this video. You can do these things by yourself. The information is free. You can also give me a call. We can talk about a bigger game plan on how to get you basically make your business double, triple, quadruple it, however you want to grow. So like I said, the first things I want to do is, as you can see, I'm on your home page. Google loves content and they want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. I see you made the website. It's pretty nice, but it definitely can use a lot better organization and have a good format to it. You definitely don't have any content at all. So what Google has, they have bots which are called crawlers. They go website to website and they pick up content, and more importantly, within that content there's targeted keywords for every industry that you want to have. So you can definitely use a lot more words just by adding a good amount of content which is keyword rich. You'll already start ranking really fast. Secondly, I want to talk to you about citations, and for that we're going to go here. As you can see, I just did a quick search, electricians, New York City. So any Google search will more or less look like this anyway. So citations is anywhere on the web where you can put your business information, such as your business name, phone number, and address. You put 3 of those anywhere, that counts as 1 citation. The more you have, the better. You want to have above and beyond what your competitors have, and there's ways to check that as well. So firstly, this is how every Google search breaks down. On top, you got these Google guaranteed ads. It's a paid service. It's at the top of the page. After that, they have these traditional Google ads, which are also paid ads. After that, we move on to the Google My Business section, which is also called the Google Map Pack. Here, they only show the top 3. There's a lot more, but nobody really clicks on those. So the top 3 is where you want to be at. So the more citations you have, you're going to rank here. After that, we go on to the organic section. Now this is where companies make it out with their SEO. And the SEO goes back to what I was telling you about content, keyword rich content. As you can see, these guys are #1 in New York ranking. So they beat out everybody else to make it out here. There's a few other ones, and I checked like the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page, and your website's not there. And generally speaking, 95% of the clicks are going to happen on the first page. Clients are not going on the 2nd or 3rd page anymore. If it's not on the first page, because there's so many other things here, they're not really going to be going there. So you want to make sure your website's ranking on the first page of Google. Lastly, I want to talk to you about backlinks. So I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's an amazing tool. It tells me a lot about what I need to know about any website. So a backlink is basically any website out there which is pointing to you and basically driving traffic to your website. So the more you have, the better, and the quality of backlinks also play a big part. So right now you have 2 backlinks from 1 website referring domain. You're not shooting for any keywords, and you don't have anybody visiting your website at this moment. Now to put this into context with you, these guys who are ranked #1 in New York City, they have 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. Now that translates into more business coming in, more money. So let me go back to yours right here. Now from where you're sitting, just implementing these simple techniques that I gave you will already start gaining traction for your website. Now obviously I just told you a few things. There's a whole plethora of things that can happen to make sure you're even better than the top people in this niche. With that, I just want to keep this video short just to pique your interest a little bit. I hope you like what you saw. If you do, give me a call. We can definitely work out a game plan together and see what we can do. Like I said, this information is free for you to use. I will be calling you in a day or two to see what you think about the video. I'm looking forward to speaking with you, Raymar. You have a great day.